By the end of the day, your skin feels tight, and your complexion looks a little dull. The full routine is there. Nothing was skipped. Life and the environment take a toll on your skin every single day. And what's missing is usually not more hydration. It's the layer that keeps hydration in. Celavive has one product built for exactly that: Radiant Facial Oil. And its place in the routine is very specific. Radiant Facial Oil is a moisture enhancer in the Celavive skincare line. It doesn't replace your moisturizer. It's a step you add, it supports hydration, and it improves the appearance of discoloration and dark spots. Here's how to use it. After applying Vitalizing Serum, massage 3 to 5 drops gently onto your face, neck, and décolletage. Then follow with your moisturizer, as usual. Your skin already makes oil of its own. That oil seals in moisture and conditions. Your skin, a complexion that looks soft and feels hydrated, depends on it. Natural oil production can fall out of balance. On skin that lacks moisture, wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation all become more visible. Nothing new has appeared. It simply shows more. A supplemental facial oil supports your skin's natural ability to retain moisture. The botanical oils and the Chloroplastim cell signaling actives in Radiant Facial Oil carry the hydrating agents your skin needs at that point. The first layer is a blend of 15 botanical oils. Together, they deliver antioxidants and moisture to your skin. Jojoba oil refines and hydrates, giving your skin an instantly radiant and luminous look. Argan oil is brimming with fatty acids that soothe and protect. Rosehip oil visibly smooths fine lines and wrinkles and minimizes the look of discoloration and hyperpigmentation. Sunflower oil is unsaponifiable, which means the skin absorbs it quickly. The second layer is Chloroplastim, the cell signaling actives at the center of the Celavive line. It's a blend of 3 ingredients, and together they moisturize the skin, so your complexion looks plump, smooth, and well hydrated. Coconut oil is full of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant. It seals in moisture, and it helps protect your skin barrier. Alfalfa extract is moisturizing and calming, and it gently brightens the look of your complexion. The third one is Squalene. Your skin produces this oil naturally, and around age 30, that production begins to decline. The squalene in the formula replenishes what has been depleted. One clinical study suggests the Chloroplastim combination can help skin retain more moisture than hyaluronic acid alone. The texture is silky smooth. It glides on, absorbs seamlessly, and leaves nothing heavy behind. It doesn't fight with the moisturizer that follows, and it's easy to add to the products you already use. There are 3 more ways to use it. Mix a few drops into your moisturizer or your body lotion for extra hydration. Use it as the last step of your evening routine, or work it through the ends of your hair and onto your nails. It suits all skin types. The key is the amount. A few drops is enough. Cleanser, toner, serum, radiant facial oil, moisturizer. That's the full order. A few drops before your moisturizer add a layer of hydration and antioxidants while supporting your skin barrier function. If you'd like the full USANA price list, leave your email below and I'll send it to you. The product link is below as well.